Look at that consistency, light, smooth and flavorful. This is how hotels serve it with rava upma and it's heavenly. Namaste, welcome to Gita's Kitchen. Today in our next recipe we will make the South Indian classic Neer Chutney. Neer Chutney, as the name itself indicates, is a chutney which is flowing almost like neer, that is water. So a flowing consistency chutney which is a great combo with most of the South Indian breakfast and especially with upma. Come, let's see how to make it. For this I have taken half cup of fresh grated coconut, just 1 tablespoon of this roasted gram or chutney dal, 2 tablespoons of coriander leaves, a small piece of tamarind, a small piece of ginger, about 10 to 15 mint leaves, 2 green chillies and a few curry leaves. So into your blender jar add in the fresh grated coconut, roasted chana dal, a small piece of ginger, a small piece of tamarind. Green chillies you can take as per your spice level and how spicy the green chillies are. 1 to 2 green chillies depending on your spice level. Then add in these coriander leaves and also the mint or pudina leaves too. Add salt and grind it all into a smooth paste, first using a little water. See, we have blended it all into a smooth paste. Now add another half cup of water and again run the blender to make it all into one uniform chutney. Now let's pour this Neer Chutney into a bowl. Can you see how free flowing it is? See, Neer Chutney, this should be the consistency. Now let's do a simple tempering. Heat a teaspoon of oil, splutter some mustard seeds in it, add 1 dry red chilli, and a few curry leaves. That's it. Pour this sizzling tadka over your Neer Chutney and it is ready. Here I have a bowl of steaming hot upma. Now we'll pour this free flowing Neer Chutney all around it. This Neer Chutney can be served with idlis and dosas too. Rava upma. Well, there are people who just love steaming hot rava upma and others who will just turn their face and go away at the mere mention of the name. But believe me, the rava upma is a real apat bandhava. As I say, always ready for you in time of need. You are on a busy morning, you don't have time, quickly whisk up a rava upma. Or it's late in the night after you come back from work and you're very tired, immediately make a rava upma. You hardly need any ingredients, just a little bit masala in your spice box. You have rava and hot water with you and you're done. So definitely try out this recipe. Share it with your upma loving friends or any friend who loves South Indian breakfast too. And do tune in every day for more such easy side dishes for all your South Indian breakfasts. Also chapati and puri too. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Gita's Kitchen and we'll meet again with another interesting episode from Gita's Kitchen. Thank you.